Property's a real enabler, isn't it? I'm currently on the Mekong Delta in Vietnam. It's 6 a.m. We're just watching the sunrise and having a cup of tea before we go to see a floating village. For me, what's important for me is being with people I love and going travelling and kind of not worrying about money, not worrying about bills. And a decade in, it completely works. So I'm a 6.5 weeks holiday, currently on the Mekong Delta. I've been in Laos, we're flying up to Vietnam, flying up to Cambodia, haven't had a cup of tea yet, later on today. And nothing has changed financially with my property portfolio. Assets pay bills. I was talking with my friend Mark, I'm travelling with my best mate last night, and I was like, it's just like the book said, you know, rich dad, poor dad. So get yourself some assets, make sure they're high yielding, go through all the pain and the difficulty of making it happen. Assets pay bills. And it will take longer than you think. And it took longer than I think, partly because I kept acquiring them because it's very good fun to buy assets, because once you can buy a house worth 100, you can buy it for 75, you just keep going, don't you? I mean, you just don't bother stopping. But basically, assets pay bills, it works. 6.5 weeks holiday, and that's only one of the, I think, 8 or 10 weeks, 10 different islands I've had this year. And I've spent loads of time with my family, been to Bali, been to India, Spain, Germany. It doesn't matter where I've been. What matters is that the ability to go travel and be not in the same location is because the assets are there paying the bills and the tenant's paying the first of the month and I get paid. So if you're doubting or if you're thinking, oh golly, this is too hard or too risky, try working for the rest of your life. You're selling, not your soul, that's wrong. I mean, I always enjoyed my job, but you're selling your captured time, and I would rather my captured time to be looking at the sunrise, wouldn't you?